Patricia. So today we have another video. It's been few weeks or a month bago ako ulit mag-upload. I'm going to make KJM lip and cheek tint review. Anyway, pinadala nila ako dito ng kanilang mga lip products. So ito yun. I've been using KJM since before. Ever since na-try ko siya, ginagamit ko na siya every single day, especially for work. And then yung ginagamit ko na shade is GIRLTALK. Kasi yun yung binigay sa akin ng kapatid ko. Wait lang, dito pa ata yun. I think ito yung first na packaging nila. And then, they changed the packaging recently. So yung KJM Cosmetics is from Davao. And they're all organic and natural. And then, it is 10 ml. They switch into different packaging like this. Ito binigay sa akin siya ng kapatid ko before. Kasi, naging ano siya, nagbenta siya before. So, ayan, may mga extra. So, may binigay siya sa akin. So, binigay niya sa akin is yung BITTERSWEET, MAGENTA, and then BLOODSHOT. So, compare natin yung packaging nila, yung luma at saka yung bago. So, yung luma is medyo stout, like mataba, tas medyo maliit. The other one is manipis, and mas matangkad siya ng konti. When you open it, so ano siya, roll-on. Yan. Parang ano siya, yung packaging niya is hindi siya glass. Hindi, matibay lang na kind ng plastic. They have sent me their... Sponsored ba yung tawag sa ganito? I don't know if it's sponsored or... So anyway, pinadala nila sa akin to. Thank you so much KJM Natural Cosmetics for sending me these and for trusting me to make review about your products. I won't be biased. And then, just to let you know, ever since talaga, gusto ko na yung KJM. I have not tried other lip and cheek tint because I'm satisfied with this. So anyway, we're going to start swatching it and reviewing it. At the end of the video, I am going to make drunk blush makeup look. So kung gusto niyo makita yung mga lip swatches and then paano ko gawin yung drunk blush makeup look, just keep on watching. You know, meron silang mga bagong nilabas na liquid product. Let me see. Wait lang. Bago natin. KJM Cosmetics. They have their website. So, yung website nila is www.kjmcosmetics.com. So, ito yung kanilang website. Makikita nyo yung kanilang mga binibenta. So, for KJM Cheek and Lip Tint, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have 10 shades. Of course, they are liquid lip and tint stain. Second is they have highly pigmented formulation. And then, third one is high quality natural ingredients. Then, they are moisturizing, no bitter taste, and they are long-lasting for up to 8 hours. And I'm telling you, they are long-lasting. Nag-work ako nun sa Singapore for around 10 hours. Whenever I got home, makikita ko pa yung stain. So, parang feel ko, fresh pa din ako tingnan. Swear. So, anyway, so it cost around 110 pesos. Meron silang bagong product. Ang product nila is, ang tawag ay KJM Lip Paint. So, yung lip paint naman nila costs around 222 pesos. Kaya silang 7 shades ng lip paint. And they are also cruelty-free and vegan. They are also FDA approved. If you're going to order online, meron silang mga account sa Lazada, sa Shopee, at saka Beauty Manila. So, kung gusto nyo makita at saka umorder ng mga products nila, lalagyan na lang yung link nila sa baba. So, anyway, ito na. Mag-start na tayo sa ating unboxing at saka sa ating review. These are the 10 shades. Yung ibang shade dito, never ko pang nakita. I mean, never ko pa nagamit. So, na-open ko na lahat siya. Hindi ko na tinanggal yung parang cover pa sa unahan. Kasi pwede mo naman siyang i-unscrew lang. So, that's it. So, sisimulan na natin ang ating pag-swatch sa ating mga lip and cheek tint. For a while. So, magsisimula tayo sa doll. So, ito yung doll. Ang susunod naman natin na isa-swatch ay TANGO. Yan. Ayan. Medyo orange siya. Pink puff. So, yung nasa taas is pink puff. Maganda din siya for everyday use. I mean, super simple lang siya. If you want, kung gusto niyo yung ma-mink, kung gusto niyo yung ma-mink, go for pink puff. So, ito naman yung Summer Kiss. Ayan, yung Summer Kiss. So, medyo nasa range siya ng orange din at saka red. So, ang next naman natin na isa swatch is Bloodshot. Medyo ano siya, pareha siya sa Summer Kiss. But more on red naman siya. Yung Summer Kiss is red-orange but more on the orange side. But this one, Bloodshot, para medyo red-orangey din siya but more on the shade of red. So, let's see how it looks on the lips. So, the next lip tint na ang sa swatch natin is yung Bittersweet Magenta. Parang dark red, ganun. But may konting hint siya ng purple. So, just to be fair, ang ginagawa ko, since it is a lip stain nga, naglalagay ako ng powder foundation on top of my lips para mabigyan naman ng hustisya yung ibang colors. So, ang next shade naman na isa-swatch natin ay Bewitched with exclamation point. It's like maroon na red na may konting purple. So, Bewitched with exclamation point. Depende sa sa vibe nyo. Pero it looks good. Ba? Hindi siya masyadong orange, hindi siya masyadong red. It's nice. Bewitched with exclamation point. Alright. So, for the next shade is GIRLTALK. So, ito nagamit ko na to before. Ito naman parang pinkish purplish. Pinkish purplish. Kung may ganong salita man. So, ang next shade na ating sa swatch ay Fused. Fused with D at the end. Fused. So, yung Fused, ano na siya? Parang, ano na siya? Purple na siya. Ayan. As in talagang purple na yung color niya. Nice din ah. Kung gusto niyo yung medyo dark ang vibe. Okay, so ngayon sisimulan na natin ang ating Drunk Blush Makeup Look. Nagkilay na ako. And then, nalagyan ako ng primer oil. And this one is from Smashbox. And yung foundation na ginamit ko as usual is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Free 22. Contour ko muna yung face ko. Pero kung gusto niyo namang skip yung pagbabronze ng yung face or pagka-contour ng face, pwede naman. It's up to you. Yeah. And then, once we're done with the contour, we can already proceed with the blush. So, like what I said a while ago, I'm going to use KJM All Natural Cosmetics. And I am going to choose Summer Kiss. So, I am going to use Summer Kiss for the drunk blush look on this side. I am going to use my finger sa side na to. So, basically, you can smirk so that you can see kung saan nyo ilalagay. And then, I usually, medyo kinoconnect ko siya dito sa may bandang eyes. And then, on this side as well, on this side, I'm going to try to use a makeup sponge. Let's see kung gaano siya mag-blend. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. I think mas prefer ko nang gamitin ang makeup sponge. On the nose as well. Mas gusto ko yung blend ng sponge. We'll add some more. Especially on this part of your cheeks. And on my chin. Anyway, yung nasa lips ko, kasi may mga ano-ano yung lips ko. Mga bakbak. So, nagsettle dyan yung lip tint. Especially yung pinakalas na lip tint, which is Vibe. Talagang purple shade siya. So, I am satisfied with my cheeks right now. Especially dito. Kapag walang light, sobrang ganda. Kasi parang natural lang. Ayan. And then, what I'm going to do next is I am going to put color here on my eyelids. And yung gagamitin ko namang shade is Bittersweet Magenta. And I am going to use a brush. Ayan. Para i-apply siya sa aking mata. At saka blendable siya in fairness. And on the other side as well. So, just to be extra, I am going to add highlighter on my cheeks. This highlighter is from Tarte and in the shade Stunner. And another thing, you can also add eyeliner. Maglaline ako ng aking eyes. Okay lang ba? Oh my gosh, hindi siya pantay. Yan. So, ayan na. Nakapag-eyeliner na ako. So, just to let you know guys, meron na siyang vibe kanina. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng Tango. So, this is vibe and Tango together. Then, pwede niya siyang iset ng powder para mas lalong magstay siya. Long lasting. Pero without powder, long lasting talaga siya. It can last for, I guess, 8 to 12 hours. For my thoughts, it's so easy to use. Sobrang dali niya lang gamitin. You can just apply it, use it with your finger, that's it. But another thing, it is also usable with brushes. So, pwedeng mo rin gamitin yung brush for your eyes and I guess for your cheek. Pero sa ginawa ko kanina, ginamit ko tong sponge. Sobrang dali niyang i-blend. I think next time mas gagamitin ko na yung sponge pag ina-apply ito. Para hindi rin nag-stain sa kamay. Kahit maghugas ka, ang tagal niya matanggal. So, what you can do is you can use sponge, you can use brush para hindi magkaroon ng stain yung finger nyo. First things first, I want to say thank you to KJM All Natural Cosmetics for trusting me and sending me this lip and cheek tint. Sobrang ganda niya, as in, promise. Sobrang dali lang gawin. You can use it every single day. Magagamit mo din siya sa different occasions such as birthday, like aalis ka lang sa labas, mag-malling ka lang, whatsoever. You can also use it for work at saka sa school. So that's it. So sana nagustuhan niyo yung swatches na ginawa ko a while ago. And then the Drunk Blush Makeup Look. Super easy lang gawin. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Follow me in my social media accounts. For Facebook, it is patelisepolicarpio. And then for Instagram, it is @patspoli. Anything else? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy. See you later. Bye!